Hello everyone and welcome to all of you to our channel Schrodinger's Cat. So in our JEE Main and Advanced Mathematics session, so in our previous lecture we had discussed the inverse trigonometric function from class 12, and today we'll discuss from class 11 the trigonometric functions, and today we'll cover the trigonometric relations and identities, domain and the range, trigonometric equations, height and distance, solution of triangles, and the total number of questions coming in the JEE Main 2 or 3 questions, and the advanced 2 questions are coming from this chapter, the trigonometric functions. So let's get started. And one thing is that for your exam point of view, today I just summarize the chapter and doing the problem session coming in JEE Main and Advanced, and after we elaborately discuss the theory. So first of all, that in trigonometry, that the basic formula that written sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, or cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a, and sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. And next one, 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a, or sec square a equal to sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1, and 1 plus cot square a equal to cosec square a, or the cosec square a minus cot square a equal to 1, and last one, that sin a cosec a equal to tan a into cot a equal to cos a into sec a equal to 1. And next one, that the important formula, that the sine of a plus b, that is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and the sin a minus b, so I just write here that for sin a minus b, here it would become that sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Next one, for cos a plus b, that cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and for cos a minus b, it would become cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Next one, that the tan a plus b, so it would become tan a plus tan b divided by, with the denominator, 1 minus tan a tan b, and for tan a minus b, it would become tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. Next one, for the cot a plus b, it would become cot a cot b minus 1 divided by cot b plus cot a. And for cot a minus b, it would become cot a cot b plus 1 divided by cot b minus cot a. Next, that sin a plus b, sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So it would become that the sin square a minus sin square b. So basically this is equal to cos square b minus cos square a. Next one, for cos, cosine, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, that is equal to cos square a minus sin square b, that is equal to cos square b minus sin square a. Next one, for the sin 2a is equal to twice sin a cos a, that is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Next one, for cosine cos 2a, that is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a, is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Next, 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a, that 2 cos square a, and for 1 minus cos 2a, that is equal to 2 sin square a. Very important formula. Next one, for tan, that the tan twice a is equal to twice tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Twice tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Next, just next, for 1 minus cos a divided by sin a is equal to tan a by 2, and 1 plus cos a divided by sin a, that is equal to cot a by 2. Next one, that 1 minus cos a divided by 1 plus cos a, so equal to tan square a by 2. Next, that for the sin 3a, sin 3 I say that 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. For cos 3a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, and for tan 3a, that the 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Next one, that tan of a plus b plus c, that is equal to tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a tan b tan c divided by 1 minus tan a tan b minus tan b tan c minus tan c tan a. Next one, that sin c plus d, sin C, sorry, sin C plus D naught, sin C plus sin D. That is equal to twice sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, and sin C minus sin D, that is twice cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Next one, for cos C plus cos D, that is equal to twice cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, and for cos C minus cos D equal to minus twice sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2, minus twice sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Next, for tan A plus tan B, that is equal to sin A plus B with denominator cos A cos B. For tan A minus B, sorry, tan A minus tan B, it would become sin A minus B divided by cos A cos B. Next one, that twice sin A cos B, twice sin A cos B, that sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, twice cos A sin B, that is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Next, twice cos A cos B, cos cos, that is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Next one, twice sin A sin B, that is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Next, that some important identities. So first one, that minus root over a square plus b square less than equal to a sin x plus b cos x less than equal to root over a square plus b square for all x belongs to capital R. And some important identities, that if a plus b plus c equal to pi, then so first one, sin b plus c equal to sin a, cos b equal to minus cos c plus a. This is some important identities. And next one, this is one. So cos a plus b equal to minus cos c, and cos sin c sin a plus b. Next, tan c plus a, that is equal to minus tan b. Condition a plus b plus c equal to pi. So cot a equal to minus cot b plus c. And next, the cos a plus b divided by 2 equal to sin c by 2, and the cos c by 2 equal to sin a plus b divided by 2. Next, that sin c plus a divided by 2, that is equal to cos b by 2, and for sin a by 2 equal to cos b plus c divided by 2. Next, for tan b plus c divided by 2 equal to cot a by 2, and the tan b by 2 equal to cot c plus a by 2. Next, that the tan a plus tan b tan c equal to tan a into tan b into tan c. Next, the cot a, cot b, cot c, that the cot b cot c plus cot c cot a plus cot a cot b, that is equal to 1. And another identities are for that tan b by 2 into tan c by 2 plus tan c by 2 into tan a by 2 plus tan a by 2 tan b by 2, that is equal to 1. And for cot relation, that cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2, that is equal to cot a by 2 into cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. Next, that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c. Next, for cos, that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c, that is equal to minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. And the next, cos square a, this is very important, plus cos square b plus cos square c equal to 1 minus twice cos a cos b cos c. And for sin a plus sin b plus sin c, that is equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 and cos c by 2. Last one, for cos a cos b plus cos c, linear combination, that 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. So next one, that the trigonometric inequalities. So for trigonometric inequalities, that we just separate our board, and for trigonometric inequalities, that the domain and range of trigonometric function, I just write in your graph theory class. So here this is domain and this is range, this is the functions. So here first one, for the sin a, that the domain is R and the range -1 1, and for cos a, that also R, here also be the -1 and the 1, and for the tan a, very important. This is r minus twice n plus 1 pi into pi by 2. That is the even multiple of pi by 2, and the range here that r equal to minus infinity to infinity. And for cosec A, that is r minus n pi, that is even odd multiple of pi by 2, that n belongs to I. So here the range minus infinity to minus 1 union, it should be this interval, and close interval 1 to infinity, open interval. Next for sec A, that is r minus odd multiple of pi by 2 into 2n plus 1, n belongs to I, and the here minus infinity minus 1 union 1 to infinity. And last one for cot A, that r minus n pi, that n belongs to I, this is minus infinity to infinity, this is the range. And for mod sin A should be less than equal to 1, and for cos A, that always should be less than equal to 1. And the next one, the important formula, that the if sin theta equal to sin alpha, general solution, then theta would be n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power n alpha, where n belongs to I. Next, for cos theta equal to cos alpha, the theta would be 2n pi plus minus alpha, n belongs to I. Next, for tan theta equal to, this is the general solution. Next, for tan theta equal to tan alpha, the theta would become n pi plus alpha. Next, very important, sin theta equal to sin alpha and cos theta equal to cos alpha. For that case, the theta would be twice n pi plus alpha. And next one, the principal value. Principal value is that if sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2, that general value of theta would be what? I just write here, n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power n into pi by 4. This is the general value, and the principal value would be theta equal to pi by 4. This is the principal value and this is the general value. Go ahead, our next topic, that solution of triangles. So solution of triangles, first one, if any triangle ABC, a triangle ABC, first one, the projection rule. Projection rule that A equal to B cos A plus C cos B, and the B equal to C cos A plus A cos C. Next, C equal to A cos B plus B cos A. These are the projections rule. Next one, the law of cosine. law of cosine that a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a, and the cos a would become minus a square, so first one b square plus c square, for keep in mind, by twice bc. Next b square equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca cos b, and the cos b, so b means minus b square, so first one the c square plus a square by twice ca. Next is the c square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c, and here the cos c equal to a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. Next, the law of sine. Law of sine that sine a divided by a equal to sine b divided by b is equal to sine c divided by c. This is a triangle where this is a angle, b and the c. Here this length is a, b and the c. Sine a divided by this distance a, b, c. So next one, that the Napier's analogy. Napier's analogy said that tan, this is in capital letter, b minus c by 2 equal to b minus c divided by b plus c cot a by 2. For tan c minus a by 2, this is equal to c minus a divided by c plus a cot b by 2, and for tan a minus b divided by 2 equal to a minus b divided by a plus b cot c by 2. Napier's analogy. And let a plus b plus c equal to twice s. Next, that the sine a by 2 equal to root over s minus b into s minus c divided by bc, and the cos a by 2 equal to root over s into s minus a divided by bc, and for tan a by 2, that is equal to root over s minus b into s minus c divided by s into s minus a. Next, properties of triangle. So for properties of triangle, so first one, so this is a coordinate and the triangle here, this is x and the y, this is the origin 0 0, this is the c0, this is the c and the d perpendicular. Here c coordinate is b cos a sin a. So area of triangle, that s, area of triangle is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. This is s, and the area del equal to, we have known that s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, and the del, that the half bc sin a, that is equal to half ca sin of b and the half ab sin c. Next, radius of circumcircle r of triangle ABC. Suppose this is a circumcircle with the triangle this one. So this is the A, B, C, D, O, and this is the E. So here the R would become A by 2i sin A is equal to B by 2i sin B equal to C by 2i sin C, and the R would become ABC by 4 del, area of the triangle. Radius of in circle R. This is radius of in circle R of triangle ABC. I just draw a picture here that this is a triangle and this is a in circle here. This is A, B, and this C. So here this one, this one. So in that case R equal to del divided by S, and R S minus A into tan A by 2, that is equal to S minus B tan B by 2, that is equal to S minus C tan C by 2. So finally the R would become 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 and the sin C by 2. So next one, that the area of cyclic quadrilateral. So this is a quadrilateral. So this is the A, B, C and the D. This is A, B, C, D. So the area del, we have known that S minus A, S minus B, S minus C and S minus D, and 2i is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. So here cos B equal to A square plus B square minus C square minus D square by 2i of AB plus CD. Last one, that the radio of the inscribed and subscribed or the circumscribed circle of regular polygon. This is important for JEE Advanced. Suppose this is a circle and this is a regular polygon, this one, this and this one, and so this would be the straight line here, angle with pi by 2, and this is would be this one, this, just this one and this one. So this is R origin, and here the A, B, C and D, this is length L, and here this angle is pi divided by n. This is polygon of n arm, so this is the A by 2. So here the R would become A by 2 cosec pi by n, and the smaller would become that R would be here radius, and smaller would become A by 2 cot pi by n, and area of polygon that pi r square tan pi by n, very important for your JEE Advanced, and half n r square sin twice pi by n. This is the radio of the inscribed and circumscribed circle of a regular polygon. We just skip one thing, that ascribed circle. Ascribed circle So just discuss in our here. So ascribe circle means, suppose this is a circle here. So here this is the tangent at this point, this one. So here this one, this, so here this is A and B, C. This is suppose LM. So circle touching BC and the twice side AB and AC produced of a triangle ABC. Its radius is R1. This radius is R1. So in that case, R1 would become del by S minus A. This is also important for JEE Advanced, tan A by 2, and these sections are not in your board exam. I just mention here, this is for JEE Advanced and JEE aspirants. Sin A by 2, cos B by 2 and the cos C by 2. Next for the R2, that del by S by B would become S tan B by 2, that is equal to 4R sin B by 2 cos C by 2 and cos A by 2. Next one for the R3, that del by S minus 3, so S tan C by 2, so it would become 4R sin C by 2 as usual. In the type of recurrence, cos A by 2 and the cos B by 2. These are the radius of the circle, ascribe circle. So we just conclude here our theory discussion session. Now we switched in our lecture into problem discussion session. First problem is coming in recent type of questions in JEE Advanced 2024. So let pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 less than x less than pi be such that cot x minus 5 by root 11. So you have to find this value would be what? JEE Advanced calculation type questions. So here, so first of all we just write that sin 11x by 2 sin 6x minus cos 6x plus cos 11x by 2 and sin 6x plus cos 6x. You have to find this. So I here transform sin to cos. So sin 11x by 2 and here cos pi by 2 minus 6x. Just transform and this is as usual plus cos 11x by 2 cos pi by 2 minus 6x plus cos 6x. Just transform here. Next I just apply here that two formula, cos A plus cos B and cos A minus cos B. So after applying, it would become that sin 11x by 2 just twice cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. So twice sin pi by 4 sin 6x minus pi by 4 plus cos 11x by 2 twice cos, just apply the formula. So cos 6x minus pi by 4. Next root 2, just simplify sin 11x by 2 sin 6x minus pi by 4 plus cos 11x by 2 cos 6x minus pi by 4. Next this would become the root 2 cos 11x by 2 minus 6x plus pi by 4. So after that, I just apply here that cos a minus b. So cos a minus b means cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So root 2 cos I by 4 minus x by 2. So it would become that root 2 cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. After simply, this is the equation number 1. Next, we have given that the pi by 2 less than x less than pi. That means the pi by 4 less than x by 2 less than pi by 2. So also given the cot x is minus 5 by root 11. So I just find the tan x, just reverse, minus 11 to root 5. So tan x formula use here, 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan x square x by 2, that would be minus, this would be root 11 by 5. I just correct here, this would become equal to minus root 11 by 5. So here it would become that minus root 11 by 5. So tan x by 2, after solving, you just get here the value of, just quadratic equation simplify, let tan x by 2 would become x. So tan x by 2 would become root 11 minus 1 by root 11. So tan x by 2 already given that greater than 0. So positive, so we should choose the positive value. So tan x by 2, we just consider the root 11, and from tan x by 2 root 11 you just calculate the value of sin x by 2, root 11 by 2 root 3, and the cos x by 2, that would become 1 by 2 root 3. So next, just put this value in equation number 1. So from the equation number 1, that the cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, just put this value. So 1 by 2 root 3 plus root 11 by 2 root 3. So after solution you just get the root 11 plus 1, just add 2 root 3. Root 11 plus 1 by 2 root 3. Root 11 plus 1 by 2 root 3. B would be our correct answers. Go ahead, our next problem. Coming also the recent type of questions. JEE Main 2023. This is a NEET type of questions. Numerical answer type. If the line x equal to y equal to z, the line x sin a plus y sin b plus z sin c minus 18 equal to 0. So equal to x sin 2a plus y sin 2b plus z sin 2c minus 9, where ABC are the angle of triangle ABC. Then you have to find the value of 80 into sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2 equal to what? 80 into this value is what? So for the straight line, we just discussed in class 12 straight line chapter. I just write x by 1 equal to 1 by y by 1 equal to z by 1, that is equal to lambda constant. So next, if intersect are given line, so intersect means the lambda constant into this line, that the sin a plus sin b plus sin c is equal to 18. This is equation number 1. And also intersect, that lambda into sin twice a plus sin twice b plus sin twice c is equal to 9. This is equation number 2. I just 1 divide by 2. So for 1 divide by 2, that sin twice a or you just 2 divide by 1, you just 2 divide by 1, that sine twice a plus sine twice b plus sine twice c divide by sine a plus sine b plus sine c, that is equal to 9 by 18, so half. Next we just apply the formula that 4 sine a sine b sine c, that is equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2 equal to half. So now apply the formula that twice of sine a by 2 cos a by 2 twice of sine b by 2 cos b by 2 twice of sine c by 2 cos c by 2 divided by cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2, that is equal to half. So next just simplify 8 sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2 equal to half, or you just get the value of sine a by 2 into sine b by 2 into sine c by 2 equal to 1 by 16. So you have to find the 80 into this value, sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c. So 1 by 16 you just get into 80 and you just get the value of 5. So 5 would be our answers. This is your integer type of questions, numerical answer type question. Just go ahead in our next questions, that the JEE Main 2022 height and distance question. The angle of elevation of a top of a tower from a point A due north of it alpha and from a point B at a distance of 9 unit due west of A, each cos inverse 3 by root 13 is given. If the distance of the point B from the tower is 15 unit, you have to find the value of cot alpha. Cot alpha equal to what? I just draw a picture for your simplicity, that this is a reference and suppose this is a tower. I just 3D dimensions. So this is x, origin x and the y. So this is the B and the A and the C and the D. So given this distance is 9 and this is 1 and this is another and that is another. This is given the angle beta. Here this is given the alpha and this distance is 15. So in this is triangle BAC, this is C. So in triangle BAC, that the 90 degree at A, right angular triangle. So we just apply the Pythagoras theorem, that 9 square into AC square equal to 15 square. Just get this value of AC, 12. So beta given, this is cos inverse 3 by root 13. So we just calculate the cos beta, 3 by root 13. So I just multiply both sides 5. So 15 by 5 root 13. So BD would become what? That 5 root 13. Next, in triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, that 90 degree at C. So here also the sine beta, that is equal to root over 1 minus cos square beta. So this is equal to 2 by root 13. So 2 by root 13 equal to CD divided by 5 root 13 from the previous. So CD would become the 10. Next, at the ACD. So at ACD 90 degree at what? At C. So here the cot alpha, just cot alpha means AC divided by CD. Put this value 12 by 10 would become 6 by 5. So 6 by 5 would be our answers. 6 by 5 A would be our correct answers. Go ahead, our next problem, that JEE Advanced 2016, that let S x belongs to minus pi such that x not equal to 0 plus minus pi by 2. The sum of all distinct solution of the equation root 3 sec x plus cosec x plus 2 into tan x minus cot x equal to 0 in the set S is equal to what? So our given equation, that root 3 sec x plus cosec x plus twice tan x minus cot x equal to what? 0. So just solve this. Root 3 sin x plus cos x plus 2, this is sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 0. Just solve. So root 3 sin x plus cos x minus twice, this would be cos 2x equal to 0, or multiply and divide by, this is equal basically a sin x plus b cos x form, a sin x plus b cos x. So multiplying and divide root a square plus b square, that is root 3 plus 1, that is root 4 equal to 2. So 2 into that root 3 by 2 sin x plus half cos x minus 2 cos 2x, this is equal to 0. So solve this. This would be cos x minus pi by 3 equal to cos 2x. So this is cos theta equal to cos alpha. Cos theta equal to cos alpha means this is cos 2x. Cos theta equal to cos alpha means theta equal to twice n plus minus alpha. Twice n pi plus minus alpha means x minus pi by 3. So twice x equal to 2n pi plus x minus pi by 3, and another twice x equal to 2n pi minus x plus pi by 3. So here x would become what? 2n pi minus pi by 3, and here that 3x would become, here x would become that twice n pi by 3 plus pi by 9. So x means what? Minus pi by 3. So the solution would become that x equal to pi by 9 1 minus 5 pi by 9 1 another, and another the 7 pi by 9. So you have to find the sum of all distinct solution. So summation of all distinct solution would be minus pi by 3. This is minus pi by 3 1, and another are that plus pi by 9 minus 5 pi by 9 and plus 7 pi by 9. So sum would be 0. Just calculate, it would become 0. Just calculate two solution and find the general solution. And here minus pi by 3 1, and another is the, from this equation, the general solution would become this one. So 0 would be our correct answers. Go ahead, our next problem, last problem, that coming in the JEE Advanced 2017, it says that let alpha and beta non-zero real number, and this is the equation 2 cos beta minus cos alpha plus cos alpha cos beta equal to 1. Which one of the are the correct? This is the MSQ type questions, means one or more than one questions are correct. So here that cos beta minus cos alpha plus cos alpha cos beta equal to 1 is given. So just 4 into, just solve this. Cos beta minus cos alpha plus twice I just multiply 2 for formula 2. So this would be 1 minus cos alpha plus cos beta minus cos alpha cos beta equal to 3 plus 3 cos alpha minus 3 cos beta minus 3 cos alpha cos beta. So it would become what? 1 minus cos alpha 1 plus cos beta equal to 3 into 1 plus cos alpha 1 minus cos beta. So this would be become that 1 minus cos alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha equal to 3 into 1 minus cos beta divided by 1 plus cos beta. That just formula tan square alpha by 2 equal to 3 tan square beta by 2. So we just get here that tan alpha by 2 plus minus root 3 tan beta by 2 equal to 0. So B would be answer, tan alpha by 2 minus root 3 tan beta by 2 equal to 0. And another one, that C, also the positive, tan alpha by 2 plus root 3 tan beta by 2 equal to 0. So we just cover here 5 important questions coming in JEE Main and Advanced. For a better concept and understanding, I just give you another 5 important questions. You just pause this video and take a screenshot quickly. So I think you just screenshot of this 5 another problem. So today we will cover the 10 important questions coming in JEE Main and Advanced in Trigonometric Function, and last one the contact. Solve this homework, and if anyone needs this file on my YouTube lecture, just mail without no hesitation with the catschrodingers1935@gmail.com. So last but not the least, thank you very much. Stay well and happy. Have a good day.